Alright guys, so today we're going to be making Shungiku Mazegohan, which is chrysanthemum greens mixed rice. It's actually seasoned rice with chrysanthemum greens, which are really fragrant and tasty. The first thing that we're going to be doing is separating the greens from the main stem and then chopping it all into little pieces about 1/2 inch thick. And then you're going to place them into a microwave-safe bowl. And then we're going to microwave them for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. So you can see I have my other ingredients ready to go. I have a tablespoon of mirin, 2 teaspoons of shoyu, and then 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. You want to make sure that these are toasted so they're nice and nutty. And once the shungiku is done in the microwave, we're going to microwave 1 tablespoon of mirin, and that's just to get the alcohol flavor out. We're only going to do it for about 10 seconds, so it's pretty short. So you can see that the mirin is nice and hot. It's still steaming from the microwave. That's what you want. Now we have all of our ingredients ready to go. The shungiku is also still pretty warm. We're going to mix about 3 cups of cooked rice into our mixing bowl, and then we're going to add all of our seasonings. So in goes the shoyu. We're going to add the mirin next, and then the sesame seeds. For the sesame seeds, you do want to save a little bit for serving. Or you can just dump it all in if you don't care how it looks, and then just mix everything together. So after mixing, it's ready to serve, and you can top it with additional sesame seeds if you like. Try not to spill like I did when I was serving it, and you are good to go. So this is my Shungiku Mazegohan recipe. I hope you get a chance to try it. It's one of my favorites, and I'll see you next time.